All right, folks, it's that time around Christmas when, I got to get gift ideas for family members, friends. And usually, with the kids, I want to get them something cool because, I want to be known for the cool uncle, right? That gives good gifts. Anyway, Divoom is one of those. I have given my niece and nephew not one of these before, but I believe a different version. This is the Ditoo-Pro version. I've given them another version of this before, but anyway, Divoom actually reached out to me this year and asked if I want to take a look at this. This is the Ditoo-Pro, and so anyway, I just want to unbox this thing and see if it's a good gift or not. Anyhow, they always come in this cool little bag right here. It doesn't matter where you order it from. It comes in this, like bag, shopping bag. And on top of that, they do have this right here where it's kind of like a case, the display case. If, the kids are into that. Yeah, I don't know. It's super weird, the way they package their stuff. Oh, that thing is loud. Ugh. Okay, so if you don't know, this is a Bluetooth speaker. And on top of that, this right here, you can actually display pixel art on it. It's great for like desk setup. If you have one of those kids that just love to decorate their desk, this is one of those items right here. You've seen on Instagram, you see on TikTok all the time too. So I'm pretty sure that's the reason why you're looking at this. Wow. So I feel like this is bigger. Is it bigger than the original that I've gotten? Under the hood, there are some cords. It's USB-A to USB-C, and it is braided. On top of that, you got some cool stickers for the kids. And on here, it actually says Ultimate Music Experience. Let's check out the speaker real quick. Like I said, I have some experience with this. Actually, if you look up here, that is another Divoom product right there. You see that? So yeah, I do have some experience with this, with the app and things like that. But again, this is their brand new product called the Pro. Let's try to remove this happy face thing. Voila. All right, let's peel off a bunch of these protection that they have on here. I really like the packaging. I really like the way they package this. Yeah, they really try to package it to where, it protects the art, because this is an art piece, right? Okay, so first off, the design kind of stayed the same from the old Ditoo that I have. Ditto. Speakers is on top here. I feel like the speaker is bigger, in my opinion. I don't know. Correct me if I'm wrong. There is like a subwoofer almost back here as well, guys. So there is a place back here, guys, that says on and off. You flip that up, and it's a button. It has a micro SD slot back there. Wow, I didn't know that. And USB-C, obviously, to charge this thing. There we go. Yes, and it does display the clock just like that up there. And obviously, the best use case for this is if you use your phone, the app, and you can actually display pixel art on there. It looks great on the desk. Anyway, I want to set this thing up and then I want to show you guys. Okay, so if you're like me who have multiple of these Divoom products, then you actually can select from the list right here. And it's that simple. Okay, so now I'm in the app itself. I can actually, however bright I want this display right here. And then let's go into, let's say, the gallery. So you can see that it shows you the gallery right here. I can change the blue, yellow, whatever the clock is. I can customize it. Yeah, quite a bit. And here I can say something if I want. The speed scroll, I want it to be super slow. So this right here is kind of like a preset of favorites group. So if you see, look up here, I'm scrolling through a different animation like Venom and things like that. Well, that's where you would add it into here, and it groups it all together and it just plays that group. It loops through that group. It's like a playlist. Now, let's go back to the gallery here. Let's make it festive and Christmassy stuff, okay? So here's this one right here. It shows you a preview right away as soon as you scroll it. You scroll up, See how fast that is? Very, very fast. Okay, so let's say if you like something like this right here, you can actually hit download. And it will download to the device. Now, basically what that means is that it just puts it into this group right here. So you can add a bunch of them into this group. Obviously, I add the same one twice. But yeah, so that's what it does, is that it's going to loop through this group right here if you just say upload to device now. So I'm going to go ahead and select a few that I like and then use that feature. All right, so here you go. I picked 5 items, and what it does is just it's flipping through them right now. I think it actually looks better on here because the screen is bigger than it is on my phone, actually. I don't know why. The one thing that I do want to show you is that the games on here, when you press this right here, you can actually scroll through and find yourself a game tab on here. Select it. Let's go ahead and play a little, I don't know, I think this is called Acronoi or something like that. I don't know about you guys, but this is pretty cool. Oh, yeah, I hit the jackpot on that one. Anyway, it does have sound, so awesome right there. Yeah, it's kind of like a little mini game machine, I would say. Anyway, it's pretty awesome. It's just a great gift overall for Christmas. Next we're going to do is we're going to test out the music function on it. Let's see how good the speakers are. And if it's any better than my portable Bluetooth speakers that I have. Okay, let's see which song we're gonna do here. I have this one song. Let's about 80%. Okay, that is super loud. The reason why I had to put my hand right here is because the speaker's up here, right? And so it's firing upward. It's not firing towards you. So just FYI on that one, the speaker does fire upward. Anyway, guys, this is pretty neat. I mean, as a gift this holiday season, what do you guys think, right? Anyway, the other year I gave the other model to my niece and nephew, and they totally love it. I think I came out as the coolest uncle. So anyway, just an FYI on that one, and I hope you guys like this one. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.